was Sarkaria Commission set up? Options are A. 1962, B. 1993, C. 1956, D. 1983. Correct answer is D. 1983. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state government? Options are A. Estate duty, B. Sales tax, C. Land revenue, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following article deals with the election of the vice president? Options are A. Article 66, B. Article 62, C. Article 68, D. Article 64. Correct answer is A. Article 66. The Prime Minister of India is appointed by which one of the following? Options are A. Vice President, B. Chief Justice of India, C. President, D. Attorney General of India. Correct answer is C. President. The total number of ministers including the Prime Ministers shall not exceed. Options are A. 25% members of the Lok Sabha, B. 15% members of the Lok Sabha, C. 10% members of the Lok Sabha, D. 20% members of the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. 15% members of the Lok Sabha. Which one of the following article deals with the pardoning power of the President? Options are A. Article 71, B. Article 74, C. Article 72, D. Article 75. Correct answer is C. Article 72. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? Options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. Fifth schedule, D. Preamble of the Constitution. Correct answer is D. Preamble of the Constitution. Which among the following is not a standing committee? Options are A. Railway Convention Committee, B. Public Accounts Committee, C. Business Advisory Committee, D. Ethics Committee. Correct answer is A. Railway Convention Committee. Who heads the Niti Aayog as its chairperson? Options are A. President of India, B. Prime Minister, C. Finance Minister, D. Minister of Planning. Correct answer is B. Prime Minister. Which one of the following Constitutional Amendment Act makes provisions for a three-tier system of Panchayati Raj? Options are A. 74th Amendment Act, B. 73rd Amendment Act, C. 86th Amendment Act, D. 52nd Amendment Act. Correct answer is B. 73rd Amendment Act. At present, how many high courts are there in India? Options are A. 25, B. 21, C. 28, D. 29. Correct answer is A. 25. Who appoints the Lokayukta and Uplokayukta? Options are A. Governor of the state, B. Chief Minister, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Judge of High Court. Correct answer is A. Governor of the state. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental rights are provided? Options are A. Part 2, B. Part 3, C. Part 5, D. Part 4. Correct answer is B. Part 3. By which of the following Amendment Act fundamental duties were included in the Constitution of India? Options are A. 40th Amendment Act, B. 44th Amendment Act, C. 43rd Amendment Act, D. 42nd Amendment Act. Correct answer is D. 42nd Amendment Act. National emergency is declared under which of the following articles? Options are A. Article 358, B. Article 352, C. Article 359, D. Article 360. Correct answer is B. Article 352. Which one of the following article deals with the governor of states? Options are A. Article 150, B. Article 153, C. Article 165, D. Article 167. Correct answer is B. Article 153.